2015 Select Soccer box break for Capsfan. Hell, good luck. One box break, Select Soccer. Look, here we go, pack number 1. Yeah, March, guys. We have Pride Blue. James Milner for England, number to 299. What kind of gold, Chief? 2 base. We got Camo, Fabio Conchal, Portugal, number to 249. Base. We got Dynamic Duos, David Luiz and Thiago Silva, Brazil, not numbered. We got Ultimate Team, Angel Di Maria, Argentina. Pride is Daniele De Rossi, not numbered. We got Bastian Schweinsteiger, not numbered, Prime, and Pride, and Yaya Toure, base variation, Ivory Coast. We have Fabian Schär, number to 199, red. Hängt. Warte mal eben. Kann mal jemand den Link nochmal posten? Aua. Oder, ja. Ich mache gleich ein Recap, Helge. Ja. Next pack is autograph. Oh, Kevin Mirallas for Belgium. Blue autograph. Number to 75. Kevin Mirallas. We got Equalizers blue, Clint Dempsey, number to 299. We have Stefan de Vrij purple, number to 99. And 2 base. Santi Cazorla, number to 199. España, Spain. Jersey. Please. We have blue. Tim Howard, USA, number to 299. Oh, we got a green? Is it a green or just Mexico? I hope it's a patch. Nein, schade. Ochoa und Layuri. Oder Layun heißt er so. Mexico Dual Jersey. Nice one. We got orange of Alan Jaguev. Jaguev, number to 199. Alan Jaguev. Kenne ich nicht. Ehrlich gesagt. We got Dynamic Duos Alexis Sanchez and Arturo Vidal. Number to 299, Chile. And the last pack, we have dummy Jakub Blaszczykowski bronze for Poland, and 2 base. That's it for the break. Thank you for joining. See you next time. Peace.